We now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and this is your cue card and you got to speak on it. So your time starts now.
Oh, Lahore is a beautiful and fantastic city. It's a reasonable big city, and there are many things I love about it. Unfortunately, its public transportation is not one of them, especially the buses service. It's not that good. I'm going to talk about when I got a delay because of something unexpected. My friend and I were traveling to my friend's birthday party. So it was summer season, and however we were.
Come on.
Sir, I try after.
Alright, you just spoke for around 50 seconds, and the way you started, that was irrelevant. I mean, the first thing, because your topics describe an important journey that was delayed, and you talked about transport systems. That's not relevant. Yes, if you want to do some background talk, you can talk about journey, right? You say journeys are very important in our life, and whenever we make journey we feel good, but sometimes the journeys go wrong as well. Today I would like to talk about a journey that was delayed, and then you come to the point. So what you said before, that was irrelevant. We now move on to IELTS speaking part 3. Well, my first question is, what mode of travel do you consider the safest?
Well, the safest mode of traveling is car, because if you have your own car, you can drive it on your own way. And but nowadays train is also considered as a safe journey. Safe journey. It is safe.
Okay. How do people travel long distance in your country? Long distance, like 1,000-kilometer distance and all that. How do people travel long distance in your country?
There are many ways, but most people consider traveling by buses. Diverse and that kind of transportation is good for long traveling.
Okay. How can traveling be useful to people?
Traveling is the most amazing thing a man can ever have. That traveling can teach you a lot about other cities, and you can see other cultures by traveling.
Okay. Where, in your opinion, people should visit during their vacations?
Well, the best places in my country is Murray and Swats. They are very beautiful and nature beautiful. So that place is the most relaxation places. So people most consider to visit there.
Okay, all right, thank you. Listen up, for speaking part 2, your answer was not satisfactory. You started the wrong way, and then you came to the point, and then you you were crashed.
Yes.
Actually, I would say. So try not to crash, try to go on, and for you it is important to make your answer relevant to the topic. Okay, that is the first important thing. Second, for speaking part 3, your answers were quite short. Although some of your answers were good, but they were very short. In part 3, examiners expect some long answers, like 5, 6, 7 sentences and all that.
Oh.
Right? Yeah, that is important. So the way you spoke and the way you performed today, still you will be able to score 5 band with this type of speaking.
Oh.
Okay? Right, thank you.